I think a lot of my success, perhaps 99% of it, is attributed to the society or the close circle that I grew up in. To start with, my dad had on and off business. He was on and off entrepreneur. Two of my best friends' dad were also businessmen, and they were both quite successful at what they did. Growing up with those friends, at least perhaps those who have grown up in India can relate to it, that we tend to spend disproportionate amount of time at friends' home. It's not very uncommon, and I did that, and that's where I got to see those entrepreneurs in action during that time. As luck would have it, for right or wrong reasons, I needed a scholarship to continue my study. And the gentleman whom I truly consider my mentor, great entrepreneurs, I think those 3 or 4 male figures around me are the roots from which I can relate, where I got these ideas and passion to do it on my own.
Thank you for sharing that. Now coming to the actual moment, right? When you quit your job, when you decided to start something, can you share how was that initial period? Like what were some tough choices that you had to make? Like what was going on inside of you that allowed you to do whatever you did in the business?
Oh yes, Sumit, your experience of speaking shines through. I mean, you are asking very good questions, I must say. So, talking about it, the real human, right? Believe it or not, I can still remember very vividly. I was doing very well in my job. I used to get 4 or 5-star ratings and all, which is one of the, I used to get a good, decent hike and everything. At least 2 times I remember going, in those days, the offices had a working area and everybody had an office. I distinctly remember going outside my boss's office and almost putting down papers, but then I was fearful that what if it doesn't work out? 2 times at least I went and came back to my desk thinking that I'll do it tomorrow or day after or next week. One time I still remember, he caught me right outside his office. Hey, Rupesh, what's up? He was genuinely surprised that why I'm there, and I just made up some reasons that I wanted to give you an update. So it was not easy to put down the paper. Even after I put down the paper, I still remember I did a bit of a moonlighting as well. I thought I was ready, and you can only be so ready